Okay students, today we are going to study about test of similarity of triangles. So for similarity of two triangles, the necessary conditions are that their corresponding sides are in same proportion and their corresponding angles are congruent. Out of these conditions, when three specific conditions are fulfilled, the remaining conditions are automatically fulfilled. So to prove the similarity of triangles, there are some tests. So the tests are A test for similarity, in that three angles of two triangles will be congruent to each other. Next test is AA test for similarity of triangles, in that two angles of a triangle will be congruent to each other. Then is your SSS test for similarity of triangles, in that three sides of two triangles, all the three sides of two triangles are congruent to each other. And then next test is SAS test of similarity of triangles, in that two sides of triangle and one angle of that two triangles are congruent to each other. So on that basis, on your screen there is one question given. So in that question, what is given? ABC, angle ABC, and one figure is given related to that question. So what is given here? Angle ABC is equals to 75 degree, angle ADC is equals to 75 degree. State which two triangles are similar and by which test. And a figure is given. Figure of what is given? Triangle ABC is given. In that triangle, again one more triangle is that is EDC. And the given condition is what, given question is what? Angle ABC is equals to angle ADC is 75 degree. That means one angle we got congruent to each other, and one thing is given, angle C is common in both. So automatically that is easier for us to prove the triangles to be similar to each other by AA test. And ABC is congruent to EDC, that is 75, and angle C is common in both. So how we will write? We will write given conditions first. Angle ABC is equals to 75 degree, angle EDC is equals to 75 degree. So in triangle ABC and in triangle ADC, angle ABC is equals to angle EDC, that is 75. Angle C is common in both the triangles. So this triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADC by AA test of similarity. Now here on your screen there are two triangles given. We have to prove two triangles to be similar to each other. So what are those triangles given here? Triangle PQR is given and triangle LMN is given. In triangle PQR, PQ is given 6, PR is given 10, QR is given 8, LM is given 3, LN is given 5, MN is given as 4. So now if the two triangles, we will put them in ratio. How? PQ upon LM. So PQ upon LM is 6 by 3. That answer we got 2. Ratio of two sides we got as 2. Then QR upon MN is what? 8 upon 4. That is again 2. Then RP by NL is 10 by 5. Again we got 2. The ratio of the two sides of both the triangles means PQ upon LM is equals to QR upon MN is equal to RP upon NL, that is 2. So these two triangles are similar to each other by SSS test of similarity. Now here on your screen there is a figure, there are figures of two triangles again. The question for that is practice set 1.3, third question of your textbook of that chapter. So that now here two triangles are given, PRL and triangle ACB. So in that what is given, what are the conditions? Question is what? As shown in the figure, two poles of height 8m and 4m are perpendicular to the ground. If the length of shadow of smaller pole due to sunlight is 6m, then how long will be the shadow of the bigger pole at the same time? What we have to find? We have to find how the shadow will be long, how much the shadow will be long of the bigger pole at the same time when the smaller pole sunlight is 6 meter. Now see here, what is the question given? Two poles of height 8 meter and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground. If the length of shadow of smaller pole due to sunlight is 6 meter, you have to find the measure of the shadow of long poles. So now see here, Given conditions are what? Given things are what? PR is equals to 4, RL is equals to 6, AC is equals to 8. Now here, first we have to prove the triangles to be similar to each other. Then if the triangles are proved similar to each other, we can use the step of corresponding sides are proportional. That step will be used here. First we have to prove both the triangles to be similar. So how come we will prove? Now see here. First we will write the given conditions. PR is equals to 4, RL is equals to 6, AC is equals to 8. Now in triangle PRL and triangle ABC, angle PRL is equals to angle ACB by how? Vertically opposite angles. Then angle LPR is equal to angle BAC, angle made by sunlight. Then angles made by sunlight on top are congruent. Okay. So these two triangles are similar to each other by a test of similarity. Once the triangle are proved similar, we can use corresponding sides are in proportion, that thing. So now once we prove triangles to be similar, we will use their corresponding sides. So therefore PR upon AC is equals to LR upon BC. Reason will be corresponding sides are proportional. Now write the given things. We have put the shadow of long pole as BC, that is we have consider it as X. So now it is given already, it is X. So now 4 by 8 is equals to 6 by X. By cross multiplying, we will get the length of bigger shadow due to sunlight. So that is what? 4 by 8 is equals to 6 upon X. That will be X is equals to 12. So 12 meter is your answer. Now here on your screen there is one more triangle given to you. So that is the question number 4 of your practice set 1.3. Question is, in triangle ABC, AP is perpendicular to BC, BQ is perpendicular to AC, B dash P dash C, A dash Q dash C. Then prove that triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB, and given things are AP is equals to 7, BQ is equals to 8, BC is equals to 12. We have to find AC. Now what are the given things here? Given things are AP, segment AP is perpendicular to segment BC, segment BQ is perpendicular to segment AC. We have to prove triangle CPA similar to triangle CPB. Now we will start with our proof. We have to write in triangle CPA and triangle CQB. Angle CPA is equals to angle CQB, that is 90 degree here. Angle C is common in both. And since the two angles we got congruent here, so triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB by AA test. Now we got here that two triangles to be similar, we will use the condition corresponding sides are in proportion to find what is AC. So now how we will write? Therefore AP upon BQ is equals to AC upon BC. Reason will be corresponding sides are in proportional. So what is our given things? AP and BQ. What is AP and BQ? That is 7 by 8 and BC is 12. So putting that values, we will automatically get the value of AC. So here by putting the values, we got AC as 10.5. Now here on your screen there is a figure of trapezium. Fifth question of your practice at 1.3. Question is, in trapezium PQRS, side PQ is parallel to side SR. AR is equals to 5 times AP. AS is equals to 5 times AQ. Then prove that SR is equals to 5 PQ. Now first of all we will write the given conditions. What are the given conditions? Side PQ is parallel to side SR. AR is equals to 5 AP. AS is equals to 5 AQ. We have to prove SR is equals to 5 PQ. Now we will start with our proof. We will take two triangles. Triangle APQ and triangle ARS. First of all we will prove both the triangles to be similar. And once we prove both the triangles to be similar, we will use the condition corresponding sides are in proportion. So now we have to take in triangle APQ and triangle ARS, angle PAQ is equal to angle RAS. vertically opposite or common angle we can take. Angle PQA is equal to angle RSA, alternate angles. Since they are forming Z, alternate angles are formed when any two sides are parallel to each other and we get a transversal over there. So now we have proved two triangles to be similar to each other by AA test. So triangle APQ is similar to triangle ARS. Now we will use the corresponding sides proportional condition. So once the triangles are proved to be similar, PQ upon SR is equals to AP upon AR. Reason will be corresponding sides are proportional. Now since PQ upon SR is 1 by 5 we have put. Why? Because AR is fifth of 5. AR is 5 times AP. AP upon AR, instead of AR we have written 5 AP. So AP get cancels. PQ upon SR we got the value 1 by 5. So therefore by cross multiplication SR is equals to 5 PQ. We have proved whatever we have to find.